Good afternoon, student. Today we have to perform experiment number 1, design non-inverting and inverting amplifier using IC 741 and measure the gain and plot the input output waveforms. Apparatus required for this experiment: functions generator, breadboard trainer kit and CRO and connecting cords. So first we have to perform non-inverting amplifier. So in non-inverting amplifier, input signal is applied at non-inverting terminal and inverting terminal is grounded. So this is the circuit diagram of non-inverting amplifier. Connection is made as per this diagram. Okay, so now we will start connections. Okay, this is the breadboard trainer kit. Supply is given, plus 15 volt is at pin number 7, minus 15 volt is at pin number 4. Input signal is applied at non-inverting terminal. Okay, so non-inverting terminal, and feedback resistance RF is connected between pin number at pin number 2 and 6. So RF is 5 kilo ohms. So this is the resistance bank. So R18 is connected at one end of resistance is connected at pin number 6, and another end is connected at pin number 2. This is the RF feedback resistance, and R1 is connected at pin number 2 and ground, 1 kilo ohm R1. So 1 kilo is either R11, you can take R11, you can take R12. So we take R11, R12. So one end is at pin number 2 and another end at pin number ground. Okay, this is the R1. This is the ground. Okay, ठीक है. अब input is given at AC inputs are given. So this is the function generators, gives sine wave functions, and frequency is at 1 kilohertz. Okay, so this is the CRO probes. Input is given input, and output is taken at pin number output is taken at pin number 6. Okay, so this is the output, pin number 6. This is the ground. Okay. So this is the input and output. So this is the input. This is the sine wave is the input. Like 1 volt sine wave, and output is we have to check output. So output is amplified. Connection is completed, and observe the input and output waveforms. तो देखिए आउटपुट इज, तो ऑब्जर्व द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट. ये देखिए पॉजिटिव पे पॉजिटिव, तो वी गेट द नॉन इन्वर्टिंग आउटपुट. ओके, दिस इज द इनपुट और दिस इज द एम्पलीफाइड आउटपुट. ओके, so this is the input, this is the output. Similarly, design inverting amplifier. So connection is made as per this diagram. So input signal is applied at pin number 2 and pin number 3 is grounded. So input signal input signal यहाँ से this is the input. Inputs is given at pin number 2 through resistance R1. your inputs are given R1 and pin number 3 is grounded, connection is as it is. So we get the inverted output. So we get the inverted output, amplified inverted output. So this is the output. This is the input. तो इनपुट आउटपुट, ठीक है. दिस इज द इनपुट, दिस इज द आउटपुट. पॉजिटिव पे नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव पे पॉजिटिव. दिस इज द एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1.